Now, what's been a big boost to the Marks for Sports campaign are unique steps taken by state governments and organizations. Well, today we look back at some of those initiatives that are partnering our efforts towards making India into a fit and sporting nation. The backbone of our campaign, Goa, a state that's been successfully giving marks for sports since 2009, leading to a 30% increase in Goa's sports participation.
I think you are doing a wonderful job. Whatever support Goa government can give you, we will support your campaign, and I wish and pray to God that your campaign should succeed.
Maharashtra may not have Goa's success rate with awarding marks for sports, so the state government is instead introducing it as a separate subject in classes 11 and 12, known as sports and physical education. But when it does come to sports, Haryana gets a 10 on 10 for sports promotion. Government jobs, grants, tournaments and cash prizes. Incentives that have ensured that Haryana has been voted as India's #1 state in sports.
हरियाणा की सिर्फ 2% जनता है पूरे देश में, लेकिन कॉमनवेल्थ खेलों के अंदर 40% मेडल हरियाणा के खिलाड़ियों ने लिए।
Their unique initiative in schools, SPAT, or the Sports and Physical Aptitude Test, which is an open trial that creates champions from students by offering a monthly sports stipend or scholarship. Fitness is as much a part of the Marks for Sports agenda, and that's where the Kerala government's total physical fitness program comes in. The survey rang alarm bells as 85% of students in the age group of 10 to 15 years were physically unfit out of a total of 16 lakh students. A wake up for Kerala to take sports and fitness more seriously in its schools. And finally, over to a great effort that bridges the gap between the classroom and the playground. Physical education cards, or PEC, include simple physical exercises for primary students and teach them anything from maths to English.
1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And 4 plus 4 is equal to 8.
These cards were devised by the Youth Sports Trust, promoted by the British Council and recommended by the CBSE in about 12,000 schools across the country.